Hi, this is my bike check. At the back I've got Crazy Bob tyre with a super rim and demolition spokes and a blank hub and Savage bolts. I've got Eastern frame, Primo Striker pedals, brand new, almost. I got Salt crank stock, stolen seat and a Eastern Tramp frame on a blank sprocket. I've got blank bars and cut down ODI grips and an Odyssey Classic stem. I've got Badaboom forks, Eastern headset, profile hub at the front on a sun rim with some demolition spokes. And I've got a Odyssey dirt path tyre with a big bold spot. And that's pretty much my bike.